Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, WooCommerce and ClickSend. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new order in WooCommerce, we want to send SMS automatically in ClickSend. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So WooCommerce is a software application where you can set up your online store, whereas ClickSend is a messaging tool. Although WooCommerce and ClickSend have some native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software, to integrate both these software applications. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I'm going to go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so now this is the website of Pabbly, and from this product section I am going to go to connect. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed in, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here I'd like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. So now I'll scroll down, and here at Pabbly Connect, I am going to select Access Now. Okay, so now let us create a new workflow. So I'm going to name it as WooCommerce to ClickSend. Okay, so let us create it. Okay. So here you can see the trigger dialog box, and here you can see it is written when this happens. You can add action steps by clicking on this plus button over here. So first we are going to integrate WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect, and then we'll integrate Pabbly Connect with ClickSend. So here I am going to choose WooCommerce, and here I want to select new order created, this one. You can see there are many other methods. You can choose whichever you want, and if you don't get the method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. Now you can see this webhook URL over here. So after this process, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside WooCommerce. So what is webhook? Webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So now I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Let's go to WooCommerce. So I'll click on this WooCommerce over here. And then I'm going to click on this settings. Here you can see this advanced tab. Okay, so here you can see it is written webhooks. So I'm going to select it. Okay, so let us add a webhook. So I'm going to name it as WooCommerce to ClickSend. Okay, status active. Okay, so here I'm going to select order created. Delivery URL, let us paste the webhook URL over here. So now we'll go down, save webhook. Okay, so our webhook has been successfully updated. I'll just save it again. Okay, now let's go to Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to capture the webhook response. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are actually going to go and buy a new product, and we are going to create a new order. So I'll go here. So I've already opened this here in the new tab. So we are going to buy Apple Watch Series 5. So let me add this to cart. Okay, so proceed to checkout. Okay, so I'm going to enter a new name this time. Okay, Sophia D'Souza. Company name, all this information I'll just let it be as it is. Okay, so I'll change the mobile number. Okay, email address, let me change it. Okay, so now place order. So you can see we have successfully placed our order, And now let's go to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured the data or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see it has already processed our data. Okay, the correct name is here. Okay, so let me save this. Okay, so now we have successfully finished our first step, that is integration of WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. Now we'll begin with our second step, that is to integrate ClickSend and Pabbly Connect. So I'll add one more step. Now here I'm going to select ClickSend. Okay, so now in choose method, I'm going to select send SMS. You can select any other method as well, and if you don't get the method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. So now I'm going to connect with ClickSend. Okay, so here enter your username and API key. So username, I'm going to enter it here. This you have to enter as your username is in ClickSend. Okay, so API key, let's get our API key. I'll go to ClickSend and here you can see this developers API credentials. So I'm going to copy this key from here. Let's go to Pabbly Connect and we are going to paste it. Now let's save this. Okay, so you can see we have some empty fields and now we have to map all these details. So I'll map the number. So now from, I'm going to write ClickSend. Okay, body, let us write thank you for purchasing. Okay, so let me map the item. Okay, Apple Watch Series 5. Okay, done. Now I'm going to save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got the API response. That means we have successfully integrated WooCommerce with ClickSend. Now let's go to ClickSend and see if a new message is there or not. Okay, so now let's go to SMS. Here you can see history. So you can see admin +001@pabbly.com and we have successfully purchased Apple Watch Series 5. That means our message would have properly gone. So now let me show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how this process takes place in real time. So now what I'm going to do is I'll again go to WooCommerce and I'm going to buy a different product this time. So let me go here. So I've already added this here. Okay, so let us buy this. So I've done add to cart. Okay, proceed to checkout. Okay, so now let me enter different details this time. Tiara, Stephen. Okay, rest I'll just leave it as it is. I'm going to change the number. Okay, I'll just change the email. tiara@pabbly.com. Okay, place order. So you can see we have successfully placed our order again. Now let's go to ClickSend and see if it has sent the message or not. So I'll go to ClickSend and let me just refresh this. Okay, so you can see we have again sent a message to this number. Thank you for purchasing Rolex. So what would have happened? First, the information would have come from WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect, and then the information would have come from Pabbly Connect to ClickSend. Now every time there is a new order placed in WooCommerce, ClickSend will automatically send a message.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using our Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our team will help you to automate your workflows. You can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.